This is Pioneer's TS-A301S4, 12-inch Champion Series subwoofer in a single voice coil, and this is Pioneer's TS-A301D4, 12-inch Champion Series subwoofer in a dual voice coil design. Let's take a look, and I'll show you what's in each one of the boxes. The Pioneer TS-A301S4 and TS-A301D4 are Pioneer's 2021 Champion Series subwoofers. Both of these woofers are nearly identical in design. The difference is the 301S4 is a single voice coil design, and the 301D4 is a dual voice coil design. Now, these two subs are virtually exactly the same other than a single voice coil design and a dual voice coil design. So we'll open up this box and we'll show you what's inside. Let's pop that open. And we will dump this out. There we go. All right, so here is the owner's manual and the warranty card. Owner's manual and the warranty card. And here are 8 installation screws for mounting it in its enclosure. And here is the gasket for a proper seal in that enclosure. You can wrap that into the hole in the enclosure. And let's get the subwoofer out of here. Oh, that's a nice heavy sub. Pioneer Champion Series subwoofers are easy to recognize. They have the iconic Pioneer Red spider, the Pioneer Red product label on the back of the woofer reinforcement basket, and the Pioneer Red cursive Champion Series script on the woofer cone. Both of these woofers feature the highly rigid honeycomb structured design IMPP, or injection molded polypropylene, seamless woofer cone. This cone's extraordinary design is both rigid and strong, and yet very lightweight. This helps to produce deeper and louder bass and reduce distortion. Both subs have a dual-layer fiber-reinforced elastic polymer surround. It's reliable and durable. It works in conjunction with the iconic red spider to precisely control and stabilize the honeycomb woofer cone's linear excursion. This results in powerful, deep bass and great power handling capability. These subs feature double-stacked magnets to produce a strong magnetic field, and the long aluminum voice coil bobbin controls heat dispersion for great reliability. Each woofer's bottom basket support firmly encloses the basket, reducing vibration and avoiding unnecessary loss of bass energy through that lost vibration. Each has push-type wire connection terminals, and of course there are 2 pair of these terminals on the 301D4, which is the dual voice coil model. This is the Pioneer TS-A301S4 Champion Series subwoofer. This is a 12-inch or 30-centimeter component Champion Series subwoofer with a 4-ohm single voice coil design. RMS power handling capability is 500 watts, and peak power handling is 1,600 watts. The magnet weight is 90 ounces, or more than 2.5 kilograms. The TS-A301S4 weighs in at over 13 pounds, or about 6 kilograms. The subwoofer's sensitivity rating is an incredible 92 dB, and the frequency response for the woofer is from 20 Hz to 1.6 kHz. This is the Pioneer TS-A301D4. This is a 12-inch or 30-centimeter component Champion Series subwoofer with a dual 4-ohm voice coil design. RMS power handling capability is 500 watts, and peak power handling is 1,600 watts. The magnet weight is 90 ounces, or more than 2.5 kilograms. The TS-A301D4 weighs in at over 13 pounds, or about 6 kilograms. The subwoofer's sensitivity rating is an incredible 92 dB, and the frequency response of the woofer is from 20 Hz to 1.6 kHz. The recommended sealed enclosure internal volume is 1.25 cubic feet, or 35.4 liters. And the recommended ported enclosure internal volume is 1.5 cubic feet, or 42.5 liters, with a 3-inch diameter and 6-inch long port. And that is Pioneer's TS-A301S4 and TS-A301D4. Single voice coil and dual voice coil Champion Series 12-inch subwoofers from Pioneer. And what's in the box?